Hello, magandang hapon, magandang umaga, magandang gabi sa lahat. Gerard Claudio here. Kamusta mga network marketers? Kanina nag-live ako pero hindi natuloy kasi ah, nawala yung signal ko tapos pauwi na kami. Galing kami kanina sa nag-work ako doon habang yung yung mga anak ko umattend ng homeschooling nila ng fellowship kasi fino-homeschool namin yung mga anak namin. Alam nyo, kanina nandun ako, na-realize ko, sabi ko, I will never be on this position kung nasaan kami right now kung hindi ako nag-network marketing. What I mean by that? Kasi kung let's say for example nagstay ako sa career ko sa pag-abroad, which is I'm not saying it's wrong. I will never have the same privileges that I have right now na kasama ko yung anak ko, kasama ko yung asawa ko, and I see them growing. Nakikita ko sila na uh, alam mo yun, nakikita ko sila every milestone nila sa paglaki nila. Ito guys, yung isang bagay na hindi mo babayaran ng pera. I'll be forever grateful for this industry. Understanding na dahil dito, nabigyan kami ng mas maraming oras. Which is ako naniniwala ko guys, kung meron mang isang resource ka na kailangang ingatan, yun yung oras natin. Agree ba kayo? So wala lang, nasabi ko lang. Kasi kanina nandun ako, we were there whole day, it was fun. And may mga activities sila. And siguro kung ibang path yung pinili namin ni Mrs., yung wife ko, most probably we will never have the opportunity na talagang mag-function bilang nanay tsaka tatay. I understand that there are so many parents who would want to be in a position where they really want to spend more time with their kids. And kaya kung meron option, start network marketing. Kung nandito ka nakikinig sa akin right now, you might be a parent or you might be someone na, alam mo yun, you want to have more time. My suggestion is to really build network marketing business. Anyway, magandang araw sa lahat. Again. For those na first time po makinig sa akin dito sa page ko, my name is Gerard Claudio. I will also be posting this one sa aking Spotify account and Pinoy MLM Tactics by Gerard Claudio. Sino dito nakikinig sa Spotify? Yan. Spotify din ako. And nasa YouTube din ako, Pinoy MLM Tactics by Gerard Claudio. Okay? So, kumbaga, I'm everywhere. You can find me everywhere. Okay. I believe in the industry. Naniniwala ako na maraming kailangan ma-improve sa industriya natin. Maraming kailangan sistema na ilatag. Naniniwala ako doon. Naniniwala din ako na maraming mga mabubuting tao sa network marketing. Naniniwala ako na ang network marketing as an industry could help a lot of people. And maraming pwedeng matulungan. Kailangan lang siyang gawin ng tama. Yun yung phrase, guys, na palagi kong pinaulit-ulit. Kailangan natin siyang gawin ng tama. Kailangan natin siyang gawin ng tama. Think about that phrase. Network marketing is a very good business as long as it is done the right way. The right way doesn't mean na may mga luxurious na mga bagay ka nakikita sa mga alam mo yun, palaging fina-front online. I'm not saying it's wrong. But majority of the time, people are caught up with that idea na kailangan mag-fake it till you make it ako. Kailangan mag-ano rin ako. Kailangan ipakita ko na as if super yaman ko na para maraming mag-join sa akin. Those wrong mindset and those wrong beliefs has not been helping the industry. Worst case scenario, it has how shall I say this? It destroyed a lot of people who joined network marketing, I might say. Do you get what I mean? Kaya by the way, I would like to promote this one. On March 16 will be the kickoff for the Dominate 2.0 Batch 3. Okay? So go to dominatemlm.com. The link is here on the comments, pinned comments, or dito sa caption ko. Dominatemlm.com. You register there. And for those na mga early registrants, I provided a lifetime access for the membership for Dominate, which is supposedly 12 months lang siya. So gagawin kong lifetime. At the same time, you will get one of my, hindi ko na to ino-offer, yung duplication blueprint. The duplication blueprint is, this will solve your problem. You will learn there, paano mo masasolve yung problem na hindi nagsistay yung mga downlines mo. Tama? You wanted to learn that. So that will be a bonus for those who will be early registrant. My enrollment is going on. Marami na actually nag-enroll. And for batch 3. So go to dominatemlm.com, dominatemlm.com. So let's talk about this. One, hindi naman siguro lingid sa inyong kaalaman. Yeah, hindi siguro lingid sa inyong kaalaman. Yung mga nangyayari sa atin right now. So kahapon, diniscuss ko about sa how should network marketers view yung gera sa Middle East. Okay? So, most probably you saw that video and I hope marami kayo natutunan doon. Okay? I hope marami kayo natutunan doon. So, today, ang pag-uusapan natin sa vlog na to is economic crisis. Kasi sabay ng gera sa Middle East, which is most of our fuel runs the economy. Alam mo yan? So pag matumaas ang fuel, taas lahat yan kasi everything is transported and the transportation is fueled by fuel. Diba? So, ay tataas. Kaya nga, they are expecting, I think, 7 pesos to 14 pesos increase of petroleum and eventually, so ganun. So let me explain, sino ba, if nakikinig kayo sa akin right now, how should you view the economic crisis? Sino ba yung mananalo? Sino yung mananalo sa network marketing during economic crisis? Let's talk about this for a moment. Yung word kasi guys na economic crisis, people panic when we hear this. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin na economic crisis it's not new. Hindi siya bago. Gusto ko lang sabihin niya na I think kaya na-label natin tayo mga Pilipino. Tayo naman nag-label nito, di ba? Like, we are resilient. Bakit ang dami natin na pagdaan ng problema, especially when it comes to economic crisis? So, hindi aside pa sa corruption sa gobyerno, alam mo, ang dami natin pinagdadaanan, which is, na-realize ko lang na when it comes to economic crisis, Filipinos, hindi natin masyadong mararamdaman siya in a sense kasi matagal na tayo sa ganong kondisyon. So sa aspeto naman ng network marketing, advantage ba to or disadvantage? Yun na naman yung tanong dito eh. Advantage ba yung economic crisis or disadvantage ba ang economic crisis? Okay? By the way, kung meron ditong nakikinig sa akin na bago, type mo dyan new, okay, kaka-follow mo lang sa akin, welcome sa page natin. I hope marami ka matutunan dito. Okay. So the issue of economic crisis is sino yung mananalo at sino hindi mananalo. So is it an advantage or disadvantage? Gusto ko lang sabihin to, magiging disadvantage lang siya sa mga taong hindi tama ang pananaw sa ganitong mga sitwasyon. Pero this will be a huge opportunity for people na naposisyon ng sarili nila ng tama at napaghandaan nila yung sarili nila. So papaliwanag ko dito, disadvantage or advantage siya. Actually, gusto kong sasabihin nila, disadvantage kasi yung mga tao, yung purchasing power nila, hindi sila bababa and all. Which is nandun na tayo. But at the same time, you don't forget that during economic crisis, people are looking for ways to earn. People are looking for ways. Ibig sabihin, yung decent na income nila, yung quote-in-quote, that the way they define it, ito yung stable na income ko right now, marirealize nila, they will have some sort of calculation. Ano ba yung pwede kong gawin ngayon? Maliwanag ba yun? So, ibig sabihin, magninilay-nilay ang mga tao. When several months maybe, they don't care about the opportunity, they don't care how they add additional income, in the next couple of weeks or the next couple of months, they will somehow sit down and pause and say, kung may gera pala, pwede pala akong mawalan ng trabaho. Do I make sense? So, aside of yes, there will be people, listen to me, there will be part of the market who will say, hindi ako maglalabas ng pera. But there will be also part of the market who will think and say, I think I have to invest more on my health kasi hindi pa rin magkasakit. I think I have to invest more on specific services because this will somehow alleviate whatever economic impact will happen in our family, if ever danger, whatever, di ba? I guess I have to rethink yung pinagkakakitaan ko right now. So, depende ko saan ka nakatingin. Maliwanag ba? Pero yung mga tao na minsan nakakausap ko, like, nako, hindi timing talaga magnegosyo right now kasi alam mo, economic crisis. They so believe in that. Talagang pinaniwalaan nila yung ganong concept. Which is sa akin naman guys, kanya-kanya nga tayo ng pananaw eh. Maliwanag ba yung sinasabi ko? So kung yan talaga yung paniniwalaan mo na wala talagang mag-join, wala talagang sasali, wala talagang kasi it's economic crisis. Sa'yo yon. Pero hindi ibig sabihin, yun din yung nangyayari sa iba. Nakuha niyo ba yung ibig kong sabihin? Tama? I'm a believer na maraming opportunity, lalong-lalo na right now. 2020, naalala ko lang, no 2020, I'm actually been in network marketing na way back before that eh. Kasi I've been here for more than 10 years na. So 2020, it was the pandemic. Nobody would expect not one country, but globally, the world will shut down. And sa pag-shutdown ng transpo, hindi pwedeng mag-travel, people should stay at homes. There are so many jobs that was actually cut. Do I make sense? So, alam niyo anong nangyari doon? Yes, may mga tao na nagpanic sila. May mga tao that they really struggled to cope up. Okay? And doon ko actually, no, by the way, may mga kakilala kami even sa church that they really appreciate yung mga ayuda ng gobyerno. No? Some of us really hate ayuda. I believe that's the right time for the ayuda. Like, nagbibigay talaga. Sabi nila, actually ako sir, nabuhay kami sa ayuda. May mga ganun kaming mga kilala na wala ng trabaho, na wala ng opportunity, lalo na kung nasa hospital industry, nasa transportation. Alam mo yung mga ganun? Yung, like, may mga kilala kami na mga piloto, may mga kilala ako na mga nagtatrabaho sa hotel. Talagang wala talaga. Pero alam nyo kung sino nag-flourish during those times? Network marketing. O sino dito na ikinig sa akin right now, nag-join ka during pandemic? It was way back 6 years ago. I think next week, anniversary tayo, di ba, ng pag-lockdown. Sino dito sa inyo ang nag-join ka during pandemic? Ang daming nag-rethink paano sila kikita. They're looking for ways how to earn additional income. That's what most people did. Kasi kailangan nila i-cope up yung pinagkakitaan nila. Yes, may mga taong hindi nakasabay. Yes, may mga tao na nabalot sila ng takot, anxiety. Ang dami talaga. There's so many disadvantages during the time of pandemic. Pero, yung mga taong nag-rethink at nag-isip, sandali lang, hindi ako pwedeng magpatalo. I have to find ways and means para kumita. I have to find ways and means na maitawid ko to. And and the platform that majority of people chose is network marketing. So, for those people who say na I don't think there will be a lot of opportunities for now. I mean, pananaw mo yun. Pero ako naniniwala that people who will position themselves very well in times like this are network marketers who will win during economic crisis. Nakuha nyo? Kung tataas man ang bilihin bukas, wala kang magagawa doon. Maliwanag ba? Clear ba yun sa akin? Type nyo nga clear. May natututunan ba kayo? Type nyo nga learning. Type nyo learning dyan sa comments para makita ko. Kung tataas ang presyo ng gasolina bukas, wala kang magagawa doon. Kung tataas ang presyo ng bilihin bukas, wala kang magagawa doon. Wala kang talagang magagawa doon. I mean, may magagawa ka ba in your hands as of the moment? Kasi kung may magagawa ka, di gawin natin, di ba? Why not? Pero ang gusto ko na-emphasize dito is this. Ano yung magagawa mo ngayon? Instead na mamroblema ka at ma-anxiety ka, kung baka hindi na abuti ng finances yung taas ng bilihin, alam mo ang gagawin mo? Itodo mo yung network marketing business mo. Aralin mo siya ng maigi. This is not the time to slow down. This is the time to build double time. This is the time to put more effort. Bakit? Kasi you wanted to double time your income. Do I make sense? Maliwanag ba yung sinasabi ko? Sinasabi ko to kasi depende ka sa pananaw mo eh. Kung ngayon talagang convinced ka na wala na talagang opportunity, yan yung pananaw mo. Pero hindi ibig sabihin yan lang talaga ang nangyayari right now as of the moment. Instead na mag-panic ka right now, bakit hindi mo na lang i-focus yung sarili mo sa ano ba yung pwede kong gawin? How can I learn this more? Kaya I'm inviting you to Dominate 2.0 Batch 3. Dominate 2.0 Batch 3. I want you to, the kickoff will be on March 16. Kasi I'll be teaching there how to position yourself online. Lalong-lalo na right now, people might not, again, people will limit themselves, possible for a person-to-person na meet up. Okay? People might have, alam mo yun, possible na hindi sila mag-meet up, no? And so learning to really do this 100% online will greatly help your business. And ang actually ito lang yan, sa mga naka-dominate. Pero sa mga hindi pa naka-dominate 2.0, ang tinuturo ko dun sa dominate 2.0 is to really how to position yourself. In a sense na hindi ka yung naghahabol ng prospect, but rather, once you master the things na ituturo ko doon, yung mga taong naghahabol sa'yo. Kasi alam nila valuable kang tao. Sino gusto matutunan yon? Go to dominatemlm.com, dominatemlm.com. Register ka, be a part of the kick-off on March 16. Okay? So, let me explain. I hope you get my point pa lang. Actually, introductory ko pa rin. Is this an advantage or disadvantage? Depende kung paano mo siya titingnan. Pero I would choose to look at crisis as an opportunity. Okay? I would choose crisis as an opportunity. This is an opportunity for us. So those who will win in this industry, number one, are people who solve immediate problem. Okay? Immediate problem. And dito papasok guys yung kung ano ba yung product or service na meron ka. Network marketers who are focused heavily on recruiting alone and leaving behind the opportunity for having customers might struggle during these times. Sinasabi ko na sa inyo. So, yung era na puro lang talaga solid 100%, 100% zero, ano yun, wala kang ibang ginagawa kung nag-recruit ka lang. And then you left your packages and then your stocks piling up. And then you teach the same thing to your team. That your team might crumble during economic crisis. Sinasabi ko na. But teaching your team a system where they could have a pool of decent amount of customers and you do the same and you transfer it, your team will sustain this for long term. Kasi there will be more people who will take care of your health during these times. If you don't, I mean, that's how I see it. People say, hindi, walang bibili ng product namin. I mean, if your product really helps people and you really believe that your product really helps people, what's stopping you to share it right now? It's just a matter of how to learn how to message. Messaging lang talaga ang kailangan dyan. Okay? Natututo ba? Type nyo nga learning, type nyo nga yes, agree dyan sa my comments, no? So, people who will solve immediate problems. People who, organizations in network marketing who will thrive, yung talagang bubulusok sa mga economic crisis, are people who has a mix of building organization and people who has, and organizations who has a mix of having pool of customers in their organization. Okay? Kasi, I mean, people never understood that network marketing is simply a system of moving products. Tama ba? Agree ba kayo? So, yan. So, that's the first one. People who solve immediate problem. Okay? And people who has a system where they have customers, at the same time, they're building business. There has to be a ratio into it. Okay? Hello, Joel Carbonell. Hello, Jason. Kamusta kayo? I hope you're doing well, guys. Number two, those who know how to position themselves as a business solution. Okay? So, this is the time for us to highlight na yes, economic crisis come and go. And in fact, sa Pilipinas, so long. People always say na mahirap ang Pilipinas. I remember, guys, ito gusto ko sabihin sa inyo, bakit hindi na to bago? Nung nagsimula ako sa network marketing several years ago, a decade ago, more than a decade ago, yun ang sinasabi nila, ay, naku, walang magjo-join dyan kasi mahirap ang buhay sa Pilipinas. Several years after, naku, walang magjo-join dyan kasi mahirap ang buhay sa Pilipinas. After several years, walang magjo-join dyan kasi mahirap ang buhay sa Pilipinas. Ganun yung statements. Ganun yung statements palagi. I mean, by God's grace, lumaki yung income namin dito sa business na to. I mean, nausad namin yung business na to. While a lot of people believe in that. Nakuha nyo ba? Ang daming umusad sa network marketing, but at the same time, maraming umusad sa network marketing, while at the same time, there are people who believe na hindi ka makakausad dito. It's really impossible na nakahanap ka ng customers, makahanap ka ng mga sign-ups kasi ang mga tao right now nagtitipid. Hindi totoo yun, guys. You will always have opportunities in every difficulty. Sabi ni Jim Rohn, there will be time na mas maraming difficulty, konti opportunity. May mga time na mas maraming opportunity, mas konti ang difficulty. But the mix doesn't change. There will always be opportunity in every difficulty. So it's a matter of papaano mo ipoposition yung sarili mo at pag tinignan ka ng tao bang meron sa'yo. Why will I even listen to you? What's with you? Okay? So yung una, no, those who will thrive and win in network marketing during economic crisis are communities and network marketing organizations who has a mix of people who are using their product at the same time building organization. Next is those who know how to position themselves. Kaya ito yung isa sa mga tinuturo ko sa Dominate MLM na Dominate 2.0. So punta ka ng dominatemlm.com and huwag ka nang kunin yung slot na yan. Okay? So yan. Number 3. Okay? Number three, ito yung inaral ko talaga for the past several years. Kasi tandaan nyo, dumaan kami ng pandemic. Then right after pandemic, post-pandemic, I think most of the people na nasa pandemic era, makakaintindi kayo nito. Talagang one of the best income ng maraming network marketers during pandemic. One of the best income. Okay? So right after nun, pagtapos nun, dahil nga hindi maayos naging sistema ng karamihan, maraming nagsibalikan sa trabaho, naging busy, alam mo yun? So, majority of the network marketers who were there during the pandemic, nag-struggle sila ng mga post-pandemic era, which is 2022, 2023, 2024. Marami actually got discouraged, they stopped, they got burnout and everything. I didn't stop. Hindi ako nag-stop, hindi ako tumigil. I recalibrate the system to my organization. Which is right now, kung anong meron kami sa organization namin right now, is a result of what I developed for the past several years. Kaya lahat po na pumapasok sa team namin right now, hindi namin pinoproblema yung return of investment nila, hindi namin pinoproblema yung pagkakaroon ng customers, hindi namin pinoproblema. I had an amazing team right now. But it was built from the time na we experienced highs and lows. Nakuha niyo ba? Are you clear? Are you learning? Diba? So, ang mananalos during economic crisis, hindi lang yung puro recruit. Ang mananalo during economic crisis are those leaders who build systems, training their team in the front line, building systems where people can follow easily. Alam mo yun, providing up-to-date scripts, no? Has a clear onboarding. No, I mean, magko-collapse ang isang organization na wala pong sistema sa loob. Alam mo, nakakatawa talaga to. Sa network marketing, kapag pinag-uusapan, ganito palaging script. Lalo na kung bago ka, may notice mo to. Ang script palagi nga ito. May sistema kami dito. May sistema kami dito, may coaching, may mentoring dito. Sino nakaka-relate doon? Tapos, eto yan. Maganda lang siya sa papel. Maganda lang siya sa papel. Pero pagpasok ng downline o pagpasok ng bagong PIN, wala talagang sistema actually. Wala nga mentoring eh. Pagka pinabayaan. Sino nakaka-relate sa ganun? Tama? That's very normal. Talamak yan sa network marketing. Kaya maraming gusto sana. Kaya hindi ba kung hindi alam ang gagawin eh. Yes, there are few percentage of the population who can figure it out themselves. You get what I mean? Like, they can figure it out. May system or wala. Pero majority na pupasok sa network marketing, if you want people to really stay, kailangan meron kang built-in na system inside. Are you learning? Type nyo nga learning sa my comments kung natututo kayo sa sinasabi ko. Are you learning? Type nyo learning. Yes. Yeah, tama? So, yeah, that's number 3. Those who build systems. Tama, hindi lang recruit. Meron akong isang company na tinitraining. And the company owner hired me to train their distributors and their top leaders. Ito yung binild namin throughout the months. We're building a culture. We're building training systems. I'm calibrating them na isa yung nakikita sa business. So, not just recruiting, but those people who will build systems. Yung mga tao na magbe-build. Hindi lang pwedeng, So, if nandito ka right now, nakikinig ka sa akin, and you would say, alam mo, Gerard, I must admit, we don't have systems. I don't have system. I want to have one. Okay? Yung Dominate MLM, Dominate 2.0, yung Dominate 2.0 is, I might say, one of those na makakatulong sa'yo mag-create ng system para sa team mo. Okay? So, you want to be there. Okay? That's really a very, very good program to catch. Okay? So, kasi parang, alam niyo kung bakit bihira ang detailed system sa network marketing? Bihira ang detailed system sa network marketing, guys, kasi matrabaho siyang gawin. Majority of the leaders in network marketing would choose to just motivate a large cluster of people. And then, sabihin sa'yo, kahit yung ilan dyan, yan yung magsistay, yun lang. Nagigets ko naman yung kahit may system ka, hindi naman lahat magsistay eh. Pero, kung meron kang system, o meron kang talagang paliwanag na path na pwedeng sundin ng karamihan, mas magiging mababa yung attrition o yung churn na tinatawag nila, yung paglagas ng mga tao. Maliwanag ba yung sinasabi ko? Type nyo nga clear. Tama. So yan. Okay? Those who build systems. Number 4, people who master online. Kung matagal ka na sa network marketing, Ito ang struggle ng mga tatagal sa network marketing. Yung mga batikan, yung mga 15 years and up. 10 to 15 years and above. Ang dami sa kanila hindi makasabay sa online. Ang dami sa kanila hindi makasabay online. And ang dami sa kanila even teaching their team that online is not working. If yan ang turo mo hanggang ngayon, yan, hindi nag-work na yung online. Hindi nag-work ang online. Gusto ko lang sabihin to you are removing a big chunk of opportunity for your team. You are removing a big chunk of opportunity for your team. Ba't ko sinasabi to? Dahil online is not the future, it is now. Whether you like it or not, no matter kung ano ang, paano ba sabihin, no matter kung ano ang prinsipyo mo sa online. Wag ka mag-TikTok, wag ka mag-ganito, wag ka mag-ganyan and all. I mean, nobody cares. People are already online, that's it. It's not people would listen to you, but you have to listen to the market. Nagets mo ba? Usually, sinasabi ng mga tao na hindi daw nag-work ang online. Ito, ang akin lang ganito, hindi ka lang marunong. I'm not saying online, we have face-to-face in our team, pero kung itatanggalin mo yung thought ng online, simply because you don't know how to teach it. Sasabihin mo, hindi nag-work ang online, dito ka. Medyo alanganin tayo dyan. People who master online. Marami namang mga strategy rin online na medyo off din. So, there are right way to use social media platforms to grow your network marketing business. And that's what I love. Yun ang gustong-gusto ko. Isa rin yan sa mga tinuturo namin sa Dominator. So, pupunta ka ng dominatemlm.com. dominatemlm.com. Okay? Yan. Hello, Arlene Malig. You're free na nopre. Hello. Okay. Yan. Okay. Sige. And lastly, those who will win during economic crisis are those people who will stay in network marketing during economic crisis. Those who will adapt during economic crisis, those who will learn during economic crisis, those who will re-strategize their tactic during economic crisis. Kung mag-quit ka guys, finish na lahat. Basic naman na concept yan eh. Kapag nag-quit ka, wala na. Kasi nag-quit ka na eh. Paano ka pa uusad? Kasi nag-decide ka na ayaw mo na. But those who will stay long enough in this business and who will recalibrate. The word here is recalibrate. Alam nyo kung bakit nahihirapan ang mga tao sa network marketing mag-recalibrate? Okay? The reason kung bakit nahihirapan ng mga tao mag-recalibrate sa network marketing, hindi sila makapag-isip ng maayos sa sistema. Kasi meron tayong kultura sa network marketing na huwag ka na daw mag-iisip. Narinig nyo na ba yun? And personally, for me, it's a little bit, na-realize ko lang lately, grabe pala talaga ang programming sa atin sa network marketing. Tinuturuan tayo huwag ka mag-iisip. Sabi ko, grabe, no? And that's why a lot of people who are smart people cannot even think outside the box in their network marketing businesses because they are afraid na malibel sila na reinventing the wheel. Diba? Nire-reinvent mo yung wheel. Grabe ang tindi ng mga kultura na yon na nanunuot sa mga network marketers. Kaya, a lot of network marketers are not even willing. That's a word. They're not willing to improve. You know the funny thing about not willing to improve? We are in an industry where we are taught na dapat open mind ka sa learning. Maliwanag, tama. Pero the funny thing is, the irony to that is, when new strategy or up-to-date strategy will be taught, people are just, no, we're not gonna do that. That's the sad part there. A lot of leaders are confused about it. So natututo ba guys? Are you learning? Type nyo nga learning. People who will solve immediate problem, which means people who has a mix of customers and then building people. People who knows how to position themselves online and position themselves as a solution. Yung tipong, punta ka dito kasi meron siyang income opportunity na pwedeng maibigay sa'yo. People who build systems, don't just recruit. Yung recruit. Alam mo, mga tao magagaling mag-recruit eh. Pero hindi nagsistay. Tama? People who master online and people who stay during the storm. People who stay long enough in this business. Ang tanong, nasan ka sa lima? At saka nasan sa 5 yung feeling mo kailangan mong gawin. Maybe right now you got discouraged in your network marketing business. Hindi mo lang alam. Kanina may kausap ako actually. Sabi niya, Coach, when I saw this opportunity, itong network marketing with a company na meron siya. Sabi niya, I want to do this for the rest of my life. Ito talaga yung gusto kong gawin. Sabi niya, kaya lang coach, confused ako, hindi niya alam yung gagawin. Like she's not discouraged talaga siya sa nangyayari sa business niya. And sabi ko sa kanya, huwag kang mag-alala, normal naman yun ang feeling. That's a normal feeling. Sabi ko, huwag ka lang susuko. Huwag mapapagod maghanap ng kasagutan sa network marketing business mo. Huwag mapapagod maghanap ng kasagutan sa network marketing business mo. Natututo ba kayo guys? Are you learning? Type nyo nga yes, type nyo agree, tama ka dyan Gerard. Tama. Ayun lang naman yun guys eh. Huwag ka lang mapapagod maghanap ng kasagutan sa network marketing business mo. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng wala kang usad sa business na to. Hindi mo pwede. Some of you, possible ang result mo mabilis. May iba sa inyo, possible ang result nyo is medyo mabagal. Possible sa inyo, tama lang yung speed nyo. But it doesn't matter. Yung mga mababagal, of course, ang goal maging mabilis. Yung mga nasa medium, ang speed, kailangan ang goal mo maging mabilis. Yung mga mabibilis, ang goal mo is i-refine yung system mo para yung bilis mo, masabayan yung growth, tsaka yung lalim. Hindi ka lang lumalapad, lumalalim ka. Kasi yun yung goal natin sa pag-network. Kapag na-figure out at saka na-master mo yung mix na yon, yung mix ng pagbilis ng pag-expand, tapos bilis ng paglalim. Habang nag-expand ka, lumalalim yung organization. Ibig sabihin, mas mabilis yung pagpasok kaysa sa lumalabas. Nakuha? Kapag mabilis yung, mas mabilis yung increase kaysa yung hindi nagtutuloy, mag-grow yung network marketing business mo. Pero kapag mabilis yung umaalis versus sa nagdadagdag, medyo mahihirapan ka magpag-grow ng network marketing business mo. Are you learning? Natututo ba kayo? Type nyo ka learning. So, for those who wants to be part of the batch 3, okay? This is really amazing. Batch 3 is open right now. Go to dominatemlm.com. Dominatemlm.com. Register ka for the slot. Our kickoff is on March 16. Okay? But the interesting part there is, you will, pagka-enroll mo right now, automatic, makakaroon ka agad ng access sa may membership site natin sa Dominate MLM. So Dominate 2.0. Grab that one. And then, you can attend the kickoff so we can have you have more learning and processing time compared with batch 1 and batch 2. Okay? So, I hope may natutunan kayo sa mga napag-usapan natin tonight. And I hope this is an encouragement for you. It depends kung paano mo titingnan ang crisis. Will you look at this as a problem or will you look at this as an opportunity? It's up to you. Kung sa tingin mo talagang problema ang nakikita mo sa pera, problema ang krisis. Lagi naman problema ang krisis kasi. Pero ako nakikita ko, ano ang oportunidad na meron ako as of this moment. Doon ako tututok. Hindi ko na makokontrol kung bukas tataas ang gasolina. Hindi ko makokontrol kung bukas tataas ang mga bilihin. Hindi ko makokontrol kung ano mangyayari bukas. Ang kaya kong kontrolin ang gagawin ko ngayon. What I'm going to do right now. And magmumukmuk lang ba ako ngayon? Magmumukmuk lang ba ako at mamumroblema at matatakot, mababalutan ng anxiety at saka panic attack? Or may gagawin ako? Am I going to do something right now? What I'm going to do right now, I know will determine my result in the next couple of years. So better off gamitin ko tong mga oras na to, ang mga linggo na to, at saka mga buwan na to, at even ang taong ito, hindi para bumagal sa buhay, kundi para umusad ng mabilis sa buhay. At yan ang advantage dahil nasa network marketing ka. Okay? Yun lang naman for me guys. I hope you're encouraged with this vlog. Share mo to, tag nyo mga teammates nyo dito, heart mo to. God bless everybody. You guys are all amazing. Bye-bye.